Hello everyone, and welcome back to our CloudNetX course. In this lesson, we'll explore a range of tools, including Wireshark, Netcat, Nmap, Postman, and more, and delve into their unique applications for diagnosing network issues. Let's begin with Wireshark, a tool often referred to as the gold standard for packet analysis. Wireshark captures and displays network packets in real time, providing deep insights into network traffic. With its detailed output, you can analyze communication between devices, identify delays, and even detect security issues like unauthorized traffic or malformed packets. Next, we have Netcat, a simple yet powerful tool for testing network connectivity and troubleshooting services. Netcat can open TCP or UDP connections, send data, and even act as a port scanner. For instance, if a service isn't responding, you can use Netcat to test whether the associated port is open and accepting connections. Moving on, Nmap is a tool designed for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap can scan an entire network, identify active hosts, and detect open ports and running services. For example, if you're investigating why a service is unreachable, an Nmap scan can reveal whether the service is running, the port is open, or a firewall is blocking traffic. When troubleshooting authentication issues in radius-based environments, RAD Client is an essential tool. RAD Client sends test radius requests to verify that the authentication server is functioning correctly. For instance, if users are unable to connect to a Wi-Fi network, RAD Client can help determine whether the issue lies with the Radius server, user credentials, or the configuration of access points. Next, OpenSSL is a versatile tool for testing and troubleshooting SSL and TLS connections. It allows you to verify certificate validity, inspect encryption protocols, and test HTTPS endpoints. If a website or service isn't accessible due to SSL errors, OpenSSL can help identify whether the issue is an expired certificate, a misconfigured server, or unsupported encryption standards. For application layer troubleshooting, Postman is an excellent tool for testing APIs. With Postman, you can send API requests, analyze responses, and troubleshoot connectivity or configuration issues. For example, if a cloud-based application isn't functioning as expected, Postman can help verify whether the API is returning the correct data, identify errors in request formatting, or detect authentication failures. When it comes to wireless networks, tools like spectrum analyzers and heat maps are invaluable. A spectrum analyzer examines the radio frequency environment, detecting interference or congestion that might affect Wi-Fi performance. For instance, if users report poor Wi-Fi performance, a spectrum analyzer can reveal whether nearby devices or networks are causing interference. Heat maps, on the other hand, visualize wireless coverage and signal strength across a physical space. By analyzing a heat map, you can identify dead zones or areas with weak signals and adjust access point placement or configuration accordingly. In summary, mastering these network tools is essential for diagnosing and resolving a wide range of issues. Wireshark provides deep packet analysis, while Netcat and Nmap help test connectivity and discover network devices. Tools like OpenSSL and Postman address SSL, TLS, and API troubleshooting, while spectrum analyzers and heat maps optimize wireless performance. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.